Hoover Vacuum Cleaner Air Cordless 20V. 20V, the Hoover Air Cordless Hand Vac powers through everyday messes with fade-free cordless convenience. Pick up around furniture and stairs with the powered turbo tool, then use the crevice tool to get into tight spots with ease. For advanced versatility, simply fit the lighter-weight hand vac into an air cordless 2"-1 to cover carpets and hard floors. And you can even use the interchangeable 20V Lithium Life battery with any product powered by Lithium Life battery technology. Benefits: you can use the same Lithium Life battery that is included with this hand vac with any of our Lithium Life line of products. A battery fuel gauge lets you see when it's time to recharge. Delivers fade-free power for the entire life of the battery. Weighs less than 4 pounds, so you can go from room to room with ease. Powerfully picks up hair on furniture and stairs. Cleans cracks and crevices with precision. Just clean the filter under running water for long-lasting use. Features: interchangeable 20V Lithium Life battery system. Fade-free battery technology. Lightweight. Powered turbo tool. Crevice tool. Reusable easy rinse filter. Advanced versatility, pick up around furniture and stairs, into tight spots and cover carpets and hard floors. Interchangeable 20V Lithium Life battery system, lets you use any Lithium Life battery you already have with our line of products. A battery fuel gauge lets you see when it's time to recharge. Reusable easy rinse filter, can be cleaned under running water for long-lasting use. Hoover Vacuum Cleaner Air Cordless 20V. 20V, the Hoover Air Cordless Hand Vac powers through everyday messes with fade-free cordless convenience. Pick up around furniture